Hey, what's going on guys? John here, and today I wanted to do a video review for the Remossy Hydroponics System. So this is actually a really nice little hydroponic system. We have a couple of these in the house that we've used, and this is probably one of the nicer ones that we've owned. This has a really bright light, as you can see here, that works really quite well to grow all your little seedlings. You have multiple compartments here going all across the middle, and then the basin on the bottom fills with water. You have their branding here on the base, and all of these have these miniature little cups that you can use to kind of get things started. We do also have the small holes that you can use for labeling, which my wife did. You can see right now we have red rhubarb, Brussels sprouts, spinach, kale, red basil, and cilantro growing in this currently. On the top you have multiple buttons. You have your main power button, which will be lit up here, your seeding button, which also is lit, and then anything else, if you're utilizing these, can be set up as well. Vegetables, fruit and flowers, as well as the pump that you can manually run. Now overall, it's fairly easy to use. Obviously you get your seedlings going, you have your small bases here, you have all your holes here to put all the labeling, and then you can use this to actually take the cap off and fill with water as needed. The light on this is fairly bright. If it's dark, you know, this will actually kind of emit a little bit of bright light. We have this set up here in our kitchen, just on our counter, and it really doesn't take up all that much space. You can kind of see as an example here, just sitting next to a knife rack and a remote control for our TV in the kitchen. Really not all that much space being taken up by this. So overall, I think this is great for, you know, getting your plants started, getting something going that you could eventually take out to the garden. My wife is mainly the person who does most of the gardening in the house, but I thought I would do a quick video review and show you what to expect with this. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video review.